Hello everyone, welcome back to Data and Beyond. Today we are going to see top 10 WFM interview questions which are asked in real times. Okay, so this is our first question. What is workforce management and what are its core components? So, how to answer it? So, workforce management is the process of scheduling and managing employees to meet the needs of a business. The core components of workforce management includes time and attendance tracking, scheduling and shift planning, forecasting, planning, payroll processing, and labor cost analysis. You can also add that workforce management is a process of getting the right people at the right time at the right cost. Okay, now let us move to question number 2. So question number 2 is, how do you handle scheduling conflicts between employees? So how we are going to answer it? When scheduling conflict arise, I first try to understand the root cause of the conflict. If it is a personal issue, I encourage the employees to find a resolution between themselves. If not, I use my discretion and my understanding of the business needs to find a solution that works for everyone involved. This could involve adjusting schedules, reassigning shifts, or offering extra support to help manage the situations. If you have any other points, you can also add that. Now, let us move to question number 3. Can you explain the importance of time and attendance tracking in workforce management? One of the most important question in WFM interviews. So how to answer it? Time and attendance tracking is a critical component of workforce management as it helps ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time. It provides valuable data that can be used to improve scheduling and labor cost analysis. By having an accurate record of when employees start and end their shift, it also helps to identify any attendance or punctuality issues that may need to be addressed. Okay, now let us move to question number 4. How do you manage payroll processing in workforce management? Again, this is also one of most important questions. So we are going to answer it like this. Payroll processing involves calculating employees' pay, withholding taxes and other deductions, and preparing paychecks or direct deposit payments. In my role, I would ensure that all employees' hours are accurately recorded, review the calculation for accuracy, and work closely with the finance team to ensure that all payroll processes are completed efficiently and in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Okay, now let us move to question number 5. Can you give an example of how you have used labor cost analysis to improve business operations? It can be asked many times, but it is one of the important questions, but not asked frequently, but still it is one of the important questions. So we are going to answer it like this. One example of how I used labor cost analysis is when I was working for a retail company. I noticed that we were consistently overstaffed during certain times of the day, which was resulting in higher labor cost without the corresponding increase in sales. By analyzing the data and adjusting the schedules, we were able to reduce our labor cost by 10%, which still providing adequate coverage during peak times. This not only reduce cost but also improve the overall efficiency of the business. So here in this answer I have used my experience what I have done previously. So if you have any prior experience you can also use that, and if you don't have any prior experience related to this, then you can use this one, or you can and you can search any other type of answers. Okay, it depends completely on the individual who is answering this question. So this is the first part of top 10 questions I have discussed. top 5 questions here. In the next video I am going to discuss top 5 questions there. Okay, another 5 question there. So stay tuned, like, comment and subscribe if you find this video useful. Thank you.